What is up, guys? This is Luke once again, and welcome back to LDGaming. So in today's video, What is up, guys? This is Luke once again, and welcome back to LDGaming. And as you may have seen by my background and the scenery behind me, this video is different. This is the review for the 2021 Suzuki SV650. So as you can see, this is the 2021 version, the newest one. I got this June 5, 2021. That was 2 weeks ago. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to film the delivery, shall I say, because first I was with my dad. Next, I wasn't really feeling well that time because I just got vaccinated for COVID that time. So there you go. And for now, we'll be reviewing this, the features, the specs, and the performance. I'll even give you some sound shots, as I can say, and my overall conclusion on what I can say about this one being my first bike, and the overall connotation that this bike is a beginner's bike to begin with. So let's start. So here is the bike itself. So as you can see, it has this classic neoclassical look, and the format, first of all, is a naked bike, obviously, as you guys can see. The innards are all exposed. It has this retro look, as you may have seen by the headlights. It's halogen type, and it's a love or hate thing for me because first and foremost, I'm really into LEDs since, as you may have known, I'm a computer enthusiast by heart, and this was just a new thing for me, this motorcycle vlog and motorcycle industry. Everything is new to me, so there you go. So I really like the modern look of it, and upon researching, it says that this is very reminiscent of the Ducati Monster, because apparently the engineers of the Suzuki SV650 are previously engineers of Ducati, wherein they are the ones who designed the Ducati Monster format. So first modifications that I did, obviously, as you may have seen, the LDGaming logo and the channel link. Please subscribe, and please give this video a like if you like this video. Next, moving on to the features, the white and red, the white and black, rather, they call this white and black, not the white and red, although the most tempting look, or the most attractive color of this black and white theme, is the red frame and the red wheels. So yeah, next is that the white, at first on picture I noticed that it's just white, it's plain white, but upon looking at it personally on the dealership, I saw that it has this pearlescent metallic colors. I don't know if the camera could pick it up. So you guys can see there's this pearl thingy shining through. Next, the Suzuki badging. I like this new style, unlike the old one where it only has the emblem. So yeah. Next, it has this nice how do I say this, shocks. It's not inverted, unlike the other competitors like the CB 650R. I think the Kawasaki has the same format, the normal shock format. So yeah. Next, brakes. In the fronts, it has this Tokiko brakes, a very reputable brand for brakes in Japan. Next, for the back, it has Nissan brakes. I don't know what they did. I don't know why did they choose to have different manufacturers for both the brakes. For the suspension, it has only both preload suspensions, something that the motorcycle enthusiast world dislikes because they like the ones that are fully adjustable. And I don't know with them, but for me, I rode this already for like 2 weeks, and so far, yeah, decent performance. Although I cannot compare to anything because it's my first bike, like first actual bike, not first big bike, but really first actual bike. So yeah. Next, wheels. What can I say? Wheels are, they say that it's pretty narrow considering that it's a big bike. It's 160 for the rears and 120 for the fronts. While for the others, for the Honda counterpart, the CB650R, it's 180 from what I can remember. While for the Z650 of Kawasaki, it's the same format, 160s and 120s for the front. Next, exhaust. Normal exhaust, pretty sounding, good sounding exhaust, but for the enthusiast ones, they find it on the softer notes. It's not that loud. It's also not that soft. It's just on the middle ground. So yeah. For the tail, it's really good because it's not extending too much, as you can see here in this side. It's not protruding too much, unlike the Honda ones wherein they want to convert it to the ducktail, as what they call it. So yeah, so points for upgrade. One thing that I can say is that they say that what they want to do with this platform is that they want the windshield. Next is that the side mirrors, they want the end ones, the mirror, what is it? They want to convert it into this end cap thingy. I don't know what they call it. What else? Shocks. They want to change the shocks to, I don't know, all-ins and stuff like that. What else can I say? Overall, this is a very, very good platform to start with. I really got into it very recently, and I got used to it very recently. That's all I can say. Very easy to use. Odometer, tachometer, whatever you want to call it. It has this LCD, and it's pretty same across all platforms of Suzuki, from the SV650 all the way up to the GSR. I don't know what they call it. Forgot. It's all the same. They all use the same LCD screen, and one thing that I can say, it's pretty useful and very informative. It's simple, at the same time it's very informative. That's all I can say. Overall, the SV650 is really a good platform to begin with. And what shall we do now? Sound test, I guess. Let's go to a different place, different location on where we could do the sound test. Although I'm not sure if we could really push through the power of it along the straights, I guess. I mean on that location, because we're in a residential area right now. So I don't know if we could do it. So yeah.
So, I won't be able to finish this vlog normally, because first, while shooting for the how do I say this? For this video for the motorcycle vlog, um my mic ran out of batteries and my camera overheated, so I wasn't able to film anything properly, and the last scene, which was the ending, basically, wasn't saved. So it got deleted because the camera that I'm shooting with shut down, and the mic's battery went out as well. So it's a double KO for me. So yeah, um, ouch. So how do I say this? Um, the bike, in conclusion, is a very good bike. Um, it's easy to ride. It's good, knowing that I'm a beginner in this field and a noob in this field. So it's a pretty good platform to start with. That's what I could say. It may not be a good. It may not be a beginner's platform for others. Since here in my country, Philippines, the price for the SV650 is a bit steep. It's around 400,000 Philippine pesos. And for others, for those who are really starting to test the waters in the motorcycle industry, or in the two-wheel vehicle field, um, it's not the cheapest one out there. It's actually one of the expensive ones. Although it is one of the, I could say, the good entry levels, or entry to mid tier levels of big bikes, or the ones that are considered highway legal, the ones that are 400cc and above. Those are the ones, the SV650 rather. It's one of the good starting points there for that platform, for that specific tier, the highway worthy or the highway eligible ones. So yeah, there you have it, my review of the SV650. If you like this video, please give it a like. Please subscribe to LDGaming, and if you don't, you know what to do. I really want to read your comments, and if you have comments on or suggestions, or want new things, for example, what upgrades I could do for the SV650, or what things should I do for me to have a better driving experience in my motorbike. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. This is Luke, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace, guys.